Well, hi, it's Lynette. I wanted to share something with you that I found very special. It's found in Ecclesiastes 11, and it's the biblical principles for building multiple streams of income. Now, in Ecclesiastes 11, verse 2, it says, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8, for you do not know what disaster may come upon the land." Now, we've all gone through COVID. We've all seen the world rapidly change in the past few years. There's disasters all around us. We're in New Zealand, and last year we had one of the worst cyclone seasons in history, and it completely wiped out one of our main fruit producing areas. So disasters happen all the time, all across the world. So that's the beginning principle. It encourages us to always be sowing and investing and looking at opportunities. In verse 4 it says, "Whoever watches the wind will not plant, whoever looks at the rain will not reap." So if we're always looking for that perfect opportunity to do something or to start building or to start getting out of our comfort zone and starting a business, it'll never happen. And then in verse 6 it says, "Sow your seed in the morning, and at evening let not your hands be idle. For you do not know which of these will succeed, whether this or that, or whether both will do equally well." It says in the previous verse, in verse 5, it says, "Just as we do not know the path of the wind, or how the body is formed in a mother's womb, so we cannot understand the work of God, the maker of all things." So if we're always waiting for that perfect opportunity, I just want to tell you that it's not going to happen. It's in the small daily habits, the small steps of obedience and consistency, and as opportunities arise, to get out of your comfort zone, to try things out. There's not a one and done. I've been an entrepreneur for the last 20 years and have had way more failures and things that I've tried that haven't worked. So don't give up. Don't give up. Out of every one of those failures, I've learned some incredible lessons, and I've learned how not to do things and how to do things better the next time around. So there's no such thing as failure. So I just want to encourage you with that. And if you have no idea where to start, there's a free course in the link in my bio that will teach you step by step how to build an online business. So it won't cost you anything. It's completely free. And even the system that we use to build these online businesses on is completely free. So if you're keen, leave a comment below, or if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer that for you and to help you get started on your journey. Have a fabulous day.